In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Chevron Corporation stock. My dear friends, this stock has also given a breakout from an important resistance level, and along with that, there are multiple positive factors which has already been triggered, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy position before and big upside rally get triggered. Dear friends, if we'll make a closer look, this was in top where the stock had given a price-wise correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as far as the stock was trading under this downward parallel channel, the stock got triggered by a price-wise correction, and there was a back-to-back lower lows. First lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows over here, and the last one here. But as soon as this downward parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, first time its lower lows shifted to higher highs, and this is an area where we got in two major positive signal. The first one is downward parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, and the second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs. And whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we mark that area as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and now it's ready for an upside trigger. And my dear friends, if we place an diversion indicator, you will be surprised to see there is a positive diversion. If you'll see the price action, if you'll see the price action is tilting on the downside continuously. The price action flow is on the downside, but if you'll see I'm sorry, if you'll see the MACD histogram, it's tilting on the upper side, and this is an area where we got in breakout, and it's going to pump the upside momentum. And finally, we will discuss the most important factor, and that will be in chart pattern. If you'll see here, you will be able to see there is a two pattern breakout. If you'll see over here, there is a triangular chart pattern breakout, and even there is a flag and pole pattern. We call, as in technical terms, we call it as in flag and pole pattern breakout. It's already been triggered with this neckline, and this is a flag. This basically a triangular chart pattern. It came in the form of flag, and this is the pole of the flag. So it's basically flag and pole pattern which got triggered. And now the very soon you will see the first target will be reaching to $240. $240 will be the first target that will marked in green, and the second target will be $250. And you can put your stop loss just near to the lower swing of E. And now, my dear friends, even if you'll see the risk to reward ratio, it's in the favor of bull side. The risk will be this much and your reward is this much. So it's a good bet for the buy side people. And my dear friends, this area of neckline will act as a strong support. Earlier this was in resistance, but now resistance turned into an important support because multiple positive factors got triggered here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side. Here we have identified lower lows shifted to higher highs. This is an area where we have find the positive diversion between the price action and the MACD histogram, and there is a positive chart breakout, triangular chart pattern breakout, and even there is a flag and pole pattern breakout. So with due respect to all the positive factors breakout, this area of neckline will act as a strong support. So far this was in resistance, but now it will act as a strong support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really love my analysis, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such videos.